Ahoy! DJI OM5 is now fully compatible with Filmic Pro. In the last video I was showing you how to use DJI OM5 with this app. So naturally, in today's video is a tutorial time. I'm gonna show you how to use all the buttons with Filmic Pro. I'm gonna try to explain it as simply as possible. For the new faces, welcome. My name is Zdenka Darula. This channel is all about photography and video, tech reviews, hidden giveaways, and vlogs. If that is something you're interested in, consider subscribing. Before you can start using DJI OM5 with Filmic Pro, you need to make sure that the gimbal is already paired with your smartphone via DJI Mimo. Make sure Bluetooth is on, go to Filmic Pro, hit Settings, Hardware, enable DJI Osmo. The new page shows up where you can see your gimbal, connect, and you are all set. If you watched the last tutorial with Zoom Smooth 5 gimbal, then you will notice that both gimbals work quite differently. With Filmic Pro, with DJI OM5, some things are missing, others are available. What is missing is that you cannot use all gimbal modes with Filmic Pro. You can only use pan and tilt and lock mode. If you need to use all follow mode or FPV, you need to kind of juggle between DJI Mimo and Filmic Pro, enable it there and then go back. If you want to use spin shot, it has to be done only in DJI Mimo. Alright, the M button, which is also a power button, in Filmic Pro only works as a power button. Record button is the same, start and stop recording. Below the record button is where you can switch between horizontal and vertical mode. With this gimbal, you will get access to 4 filming modes in Filmic Pro. You can switch between the modes by pressing the zoom button on the side of the gimbal. When you press down, you will get to the next mode. When you press up, you will get back to previous mode. In DJI Mimo, this works as a zoom button, not in Filmic Pro. You will be zooming in and out differently. The 4 filming modes are pan and tilt mode, reticle mode, auto mode, and manual mode. When you switch between the modes by pressing the zoom button, you won't see any name of the mode. So here's how you know. When you press and the blue circle pops up, you will see a small circle and square. That will be mode 1, pan and tilt mode. When you press again and yellow circle pops up, you will see again square and circle. That will be mode 2, reticle mode. When you press again, you will see a yellow circle again, but this time you will see a square in the middle and a rectangle. That is automatic mode. And lastly, when you press and red circle pops up and you see those large arcs on the sides, focus and zoom on the right, you are in mode 4, which is manual mode. So here again, pan and tilt mode, reticle mode, automatic mode, and manual mode. Press zoom button down to go to the next mode. Press zoom button up to go to the previous mode. Let me return back to gimbal modes. Now, in all those filming modes in Filmic Pro, you're gonna be filming in tilt and follow mode. If you want to be filming in lock mode, simply press and hold the trigger. Now you're gonna be in lock mode. If you wanna go back to pan and tilt mode, just release the trigger. If you want to recenter the gimbal, just double press. Now you might be wondering, in all those 4 filming modes in Filmic Pro, why is there a dedicated pan and tilt mode? Let me show you. Let's go to mode 1, which is pan and follow mode. In this mode, the joystick will work as a joystick. Press left, right, and up and down, and you will be moving the gimbal in the direction you want. If you are in any other filming mode, to get quickly back to this pan and tilt mode, there is a shortcut. Simply press the trigger button 1 time. Now, I haven't seen this shortcut feature in the official video of Filmic Pro and DJI OM5, so either they forgot to include it or it's not supposed to be there. Either way, it's working for me, so you might as well try if it's working for you. Let's press the zoom button down to get to the next mode, which is reticle mode. In this mode, the joystick will have different functions. If you press the left side of the joystick, you will unlock or lock the exposure. If you press the right side of the joystick, you will be able to unlock and lock the focus. If you press up, you will be zooming in. If you press down, you will be zooming out. You can change zoom speed, but that can be done only in manual mode. I'm gonna show you that once we get there. Let's press the zoom button down again to get to mode 3, which is automatic mode. Here, exposure and focus are center weight and automatic, which is the easiest to use for vlogging. And here you will be using the joystick exactly the same way as in the previous mode. Left press lock and unlock exposure, right press lock and unlock focus, up and down is for zoom. Now let's go to the last mode, which is the manual. Here the joystick will control exposure and focus. When you press the left side of the joystick, you will see in the middle the moon and the picture will be getting darker. This means you will go down with ISO, you will decrease the exposure. If you press the right side of the joystick, you will see sun, the picture will be getting brighter, meaning that you will be increasing exposure, increasing ISO. You will see the numbers changing on the left side. In case you are wondering why I am explaining it in such a basic way, many people on this channel are brand new into smartphone filmmaking, so I'm trying to make it as simple as possible. When you press the joystick up, you will see the infinity sign in the middle. You will be focusing out, meaning that you will bring the focus to the distance, further away from you. When you press the bottom of the joystick, you will see a flower icon, which means that you will bring the focus closer to you. In this mode is where you can change focus, exposure, and zoom speed. If you want to change focus and zoom speed, as the speed will adjust for both, simply drag your finger here to the left, to the center, and this slider will show up. When you drag up, you can make it faster all the way to 10. When you go down, slow it down all the way to 1. See, now the joystick reacts way faster. To hide the slider, simply drag out to the right. The same thing can be done with the exposure. Drag to the center to reveal the slider and select the speed. So that is the full integration of DJI OM5 and Filmic Pro. If you are wondering how to do automatic focus pull, that has to be done by tapping on the screen directly. And if you want to change gimbal mode speed, that needs to be done in the settings in the DJI Mimo app. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to future videos. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to do a complete walkthrough Filmic Pro. I'll take this outside and do some filming tutorials again. If you have any other questions, simply want to say hi, leave it there as well. And I'll see you, my friends, in the next video. Ciao, ahoj.